What's up, y'all? Welcome to another Heartless Break. My name is Herc, and I will be your breaker today. First things first, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button as it helps this channel a ton. And hit the notification button so whenever we got new videos, you guys will be able to see it. So today we're doing an individual break for Mr. JH, and this is going to be a 2021 Leaf Draft Football Blaster Box Retail. It's going to be 2 autographs per box. It's a 50 card set. Should be the same cards in every single box. The main draw that's going to hit is you want to try to go for them 2 autographs. And of course, we're going to be looking for Trevor Lawrence, Zach Wilson, Justin Fields, Trey Lance, or Mac Jones, or any of the top guys, but you never know. As the draft, you know, good players, bad players coming out different, but yeah. So, individual break, and let's get to it, and hopefully we get some fire. So, let's pop this baby open and see what we get. Alright. There we go. Let's start here first. So you see here, the 2 autographs is right in the box, but we'll get to that last. Alright, so we can just lay this here on the side for now. And this should be our 50 card set. So let's see what we get. Alright, so everybody hasn't seen the videos yet. I'll pull these real quick and we'll run through them. Every box should have the same 50 cards. So there you go. Trevor Lawrence, Justin Fields, Zach Wilson, Trey Lance, those are top QBs, Kyle Trask, Mac Jones, Ian Book, Kellen Mond, Sam Ellinger, by QB, Shane Buckley, Jamie Newman, KJ Costello, Najee Harris, Travis Etienne, Trey Sermon, Chuba Hubbard, Killen Hill, Asim Rose Jr., Chris Evans, Javian Hawkins, Kenneth Gainwell, Akeem Boyd, Michael Carter, Kyle Pitts, Tyler Vaughns, Devontae Smith, and Amonra St. Brown, look like USC, Jalen Waddle, Nico Collins, Sage Surratt, Jamar Chase, LSU, Amari Rogers, Rashad Bateman, Terrence Marshall Jr., Marquez Stevenson. So these are 50 cards, so it's like the 50 top prospects, more than likely. Kadarius Toney, Jamon Albon, let's see, Patrick Surtain, Gregory Rousseau, and there goes your All-American. Put these to the side real quick. There we go. This is the All-Americans right here. All-American is like an insert. Same guys. Terrence Marshall, Jamar Chase, Devontae Smith, Trey Sermon, Travis Etienne, Najee Harris, Mac Jones, All-American, Kyle Trask, Zach Wilson, Justin Fields, All-American, and Trevor Lawrence, first rookie card. Let me see. This freaking the side, the edges don't look so good, but I've seen other people open it, and that's kind of how it is. But the front looks good. All right, so let's jump straight to it. Let's get to the autographs. That's what we're here for. Let's get to the autographs. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's see. All right. So let me get one of my corners. Get one of my fillers. My little personal fillers. All right. Empty box. Toss it to the side. And there we go. Let's see what's in there yet. Let's pop this open. And first one we are going to get is going to be, let's see. There you go. It says BATHI. And there you go. Boom. First autograph. Talanda Hufanga. Looks like a USC player. Yep. Here you go. That's our first autograph. In this box. Maybe running back, linebacker? Don't really know this guy, but yeah, here we go. Alright. Come on, baby. Get a quarterback. Let's get a quarterback. Next one. Next one. It's gonna be BAMWI. And Marvin Wilson. Like a lineman or defensive lineman. Marvin Wilson. Here we go. And that's what we got. All this box. We didn't get the quarterbacks. Better luck next time. Alright, JH, this is you. This is your individual break box. Alright. Again, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the notification button for videos which will be uploaded all the time, and hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Alright, till next time, have a good one, y'all.